Hi, so if you watch the Smash Book, How to Make a Smash Book, you'll know that when I got into a part of it, I started to get, making the cover, I started to get triggered by something and broke and then created this page. And this technique, this resting Smash Book page is valuable, used at any time. I've used it all the time when something will make me upset, when I don't know what I'm doing, anxiety. I've used it for anxiety as well. And it just allows me to set and put down the emotion, which creates a pause long enough for me maybe to find a solution, or maybe just to set it aside so that I can go on through the rest of my day and come back and deal with whatever it is. And I just encourage you, anywhere along the way in what we're doing here, you need to rest the emotions, that you use this technique to help with the triggering that may come up for you.